Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the crash that occurs after the prologue in Dark Messiah of Might and Magic. Let's get right into it. So there'll be a link in the description below. I want you to click on it. And it's going to take you to a Google Drive page with a RAR file that you can download. So download the RAR file and navigate to the RAR file in the Windows File Explorer. You're going to need to extract the RAR file, so there'll be a link in the description below if you want to download WinRAR, or you can just click on it, then right click, then click on Extract All, then click on Extract. And then you're going to want to go into the LAA folder, and then open up LargeAddressAware.exe. And this is going to open up a little program, and you're going to need to locate the location of the exe file for Dark Messiah of Might and Magic. So open up Steam and locate Dark Messiah of Might and Magic, then right click, go to Properties, then go to Installed Files, then next to Size of Installation, click on the Browse button. And this will take you to where the game is installed on your PC, if you've purchased it with Steam, and you're going to see an exe file. So just click on the address bar up here, make sure everything is selected, then right click and click on copy. Now go back into the LargeAddressAware program, and for step 1 you're going to see an address box, and then a 3-dotted button. Click on the 3-dotted button. Then click on the address bar up here, press the delete or backspace key, then right click and click on paste. Then press the enter key. And this will take you to the folder that contains the exe. Then click on the exe file once. Then click on open. And now the path to the exe will be added into the text box. Now make sure step 2, the tick box is ticked. Then you're going to want to click on save. And then you'll see a message here, probably right away, that the update has been performed successfully. And that's all you have to do. So now we're going to open the game and get past the end cutscene for the prologue, where the game would normally crash on modern devices.
Am I too?
And as you can see, the game didn't crash after finishing the video of the prologue, and we can now continue playing the game. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.